Sudipta says, a part of the Indian left views Hinduism and Hindutva as similar, mostly Ambedkarites, but the same idea with Islam and Islamic terrorism is still considered bigoted. What is the difference here? The difference is that Hinduism and Hindutva are positions of power in the Indian power dynamic, in the Indian power structures. The ruling government right now is a Hindutva party. And there is news every single day of attacks against Muslims because they're Muslim. If India was an Islamic republic and Hindus were being persecuted on the roads and by law every single day, then I will be happy to, criticize Islam and Islamism. But that is not happening. You must decide what side you are going to choose in any conflict based on the power structure involved. If you are someone who is privileged and you see someone powerless being oppressed by someone powerful, it is your moral duty to stand by the person who's underprivileged. In that equation, religion does not count. That is the point. Like I'll give an example. There was some anger against Hindi imposition, right? And people say लोग आजकल बहुत इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं और हिंदी को ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं. Completely valid. But in another scenario, Hindi is kind of like Hindi, because of significant attention on Hindi, local languages like Odia are suffering. And in yet another situation, because of focus on Odia, local tribal languages are suffering. So in every situation, you have to choose which side to support, which side to fight against based on the power dynamic involved. And if you are someone who's like मैंने एक चीज को पकड़ लिया अब मैं कभी नहीं छोड़ूंगा आई विल स्टैंड बाय हिंदी no matter where I am, no matter what is happening, then you are not very smart. Honestly, you're not very smart, and you're actually doing a disservice to the people who live around you, because you are not using your brain to differentiate one circumstance from another. Power structures matter. It's something I have said so many times that I'm tired of hearing myself say it. But power structures matter, power structures are real, and power structures must necessarily be the lens through which we look at all social problems, all of them.